Now that you have successfully transferred your Solana to Phantom Wallet from watching the second video in the series, you are closer to buying some actual meme coins. The following steps will guide you through the next process. Open up your Chrome browser and go to the Chrome extension site. Search for Phantom and you should see the Phantom Wallet extension. Download the extension and then pin it. When you open it, put in your password and it should be good to go. Pin it to the side of your screen and open Dexscreener.com. This is where all the meme coins are for you to search for. Once you find one you want to buy, copy and paste the address of the coin and put it in Phantom. Make sure Solana is on the top and the coin on the bottom. To sell, put the coin on the top and Solana on the bottom.